mind just signing in the whole gang?
Thank you.
The Watershed Cleanup here in Fairfax County is an annual event that's sponsored and hosted by both the Fairfax County Park Authority as well as the Nature Conservancy. And each year we come out to somewhere between a couple of dozen or more parks in the Fairfax County area with citizen volunteers to clean up the watershed. Today I'm in charge of organizing the watershed cleanup here at Scotts Run Nature Preserve. We have about 40 to 50 volunteers here. We organize them into work groups, and we screen out and collect both non-recyclable and recyclable trash throughout the park and along Scotts Run watershed and the Potomac River. We hit the trails with 4 major groups and cleaned up a lot of trash. The problem with Fairfax County in particular, because it's such an urbanized area, is that all the watersheds in this county are subject to a lot of major pollution issues, not only large trash and debris, but also runoff with phosphorus and herbicides and other chemicals. Technically, the entire county is a watershed. So water drains from somewhere to everywhere. So to the extent that people live near a watershed or come to a park like this to enjoy themselves, the trash, the litter, the pollution in the watershed is going to affect their experience. There was a fair amount of trash and garbage for us to pick up, but it should be much better after today. Lots of bottles, broken glass, a lot of plastic containers. The most interesting piece of debris we found was an entire hazmat suit. Pretty much anything you can imagine, unfortunately, we find it here. Volunteers are critical to this annual cleanup, particularly because the Park Service, of course, doesn't have enough people to come out and clean up all the parks and all the watersheds and the trails. So last year, for instance, we had almost 2,000 hours of volunteer cleanup just involved in the watershed. This year will probably be more than that. We have over 1,000 volunteers scheduled to help at over 20 parks.